Hello, welcome to Fabulous Fun for Foodies channel. Today I'm going to prepare a Weightwatchers Smart Start breakfast. It is so simple but so delicious. So first I will boil 1 cup of water with half a cup of oats. After I add 1 cup of water with the half a cup of oats, I'll add another almost half a cup of non-fat milk. Then I will bring it to boil. Mix it and boil it. Boil it for about 10 minutes. I'll add stevia about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's powerful, so it tastes like sugar. Now it's ready to serve. Once I put it in the bowl, I will put either frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries. The frozen blueberries with the hot oats, it's just the combination is so nice and it will cool down the oats. That's all about it. This is very delicious breakfast. We can eat this as dinner also. Easy to make, and it is really healthy for our heart, for our body. And I'll serve this in Weight Watchers. They serve it with coffee. The coffee we should not add any sugar. A little salt is okay. And we serve it with coffee if we drink coffee or tea, but no sugar. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and click the first bell button. If you like this video, click the like button and comment below. I also invite you to watch my other videos. Have a blessed day or night.